Hey guys, Jared down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approves. And today we're going to be taking a walk around this beautiful brand new 2026 Ram 3500 Laramie long box, guys. So adaptive cruise control in the front, 360 cameras on this one. You're going to have your 6.7 Cummins underneath the hood with that ZF8 transmission. You're already going to have running boards and flaps installed on this one, guys. So you get your tow mirrors, mirror lighting, keyless entry. Taking a look inside your passenger seat here, so full leather all the way through on this one, power seat there as well. Into your rear seat here, as you can see, tons and tons of leg room in the back here, guys. Those back seats will lift up for you, giving you four different charging ports back there, as well as an outlet, guys. Tow package here, backup camera. Getting into the back, you're going to have that fifth wheel prep already, which is super handy when you're in a long box, as well as you're going to have bed liner, bed hooks, and bed lighting already installed for you. Around the side here is where you'll find your DEF and your diesel. Into the rear seat from this angle here. Power windows in the back for you guys. Getting those nice wood accents in all around through this one. Heated mirrors into your driver's side here. You'll see 14.4-inch display there. Adjustable pedals. Leather wrap steering wheel, column shifter, memory seats, all that good stuff, guys. If it interests you, give us a call, 780-942-3629.